We have studied about the term air pollution in our last video. We also looked at some major air pollutants. In this video, let us look at the effect of air pollution on some non-living entities. Wait a second. How can objects which are not living get affected due to any pollution? They don't breathe any air, do they? No, they don't, but several reactions like corrosion affect these entities severely. We preserve and protect our historical monuments. These represent the glory of our rich culture and keep us connected to our ancestral heritage. But the effects of air pollution have taken a toll on these existing structures. The Parthenon is the most important and characteristic monument of the ancient Greek civilization and still remains its international symbol. It was dedicated to Athena Parthenos, the patron goddess of Athens. Built between 447 and 438 BC, its sculptural decoration was completed in 432 BC. Made up of limestone, this great monument is on the verge of falling to its ruins owing to the increasing pollution in the air. Limestone reacts with various air pollutants and dust gets corroded. If the pollutants continue to be released at the same pace, soon we will have very few monuments intact. Is there any other monument which we can study as an example of such a problem? Let us take the case of the Indian monument, the Taj Mahal. This beautiful white marble monument is turning yellow with every passing day. The Mathura factory emissions and the increasing pollutants released by the vehicles have caused this. The levels of sulfur dioxide causes the particles to combine with water vapor, which then fall on earth in the form of rain. This type of rain is what we usually refer to as the acid rain, and this is quite dangerous. But why do we say this is dangerous? That is because sulfur now has converted into sulfuric acid. This reacts with limestone, leading to the formation of calcium sulfate on the walls of this exquisite monument. Can this damage be reversed? Frankly, it cannot. However, we can reduce further damage. That's exactly what the government of Delhi has done. The Mathura factory has been shut down. The area around Taj Mahal has been barricaded and vehicles that run on fossil fuels are not allowed anywhere near Taj Mahal. What about the effect of these pollutants on humans? Can damage done to the humans be undone? In most cases, it cannot be undone. Once damaged, the effects are long-lasting. The air we surround ourselves with can actually determine our lifespan. The number of cancer cases are increasing due to the rising levels of carcinogens in the air. What do we mean by carcinogens, by the way? Yes, these are simply the compounds causing cancer. So any chemical, radiation, or even substances that can lead to cancers in us can be considered as carcinogens. And not only cancers, but even other disorders are gripping humans tightly, which are mainly an effect of pollutants in the air. The Bhopal gas tragedy, for instance, killed thousands of people due to the toxic gas released in the atmosphere. Constant exposure to air pollutants lead to increase in diseases like asthma and other lung infections. The effects of air pollution are alarming. Only if we try and work together towards creating a clean pollution-free environment can we hope of a healthy and a long lifespan. Do you know that the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are on the rise? The erratic rainfall, floods, and the glaciers melting are all causes of drastic climate change due to pollution. What do you mean by the greenhouse? Is this phenomenon natural? How is it affecting us in a wrong way? We will answer all these questions in our next video.